This problem is potentially a nightmare, and basically, I don't know, the way I did it is I basically had to make a bus schedule to make it possible to figure this out. So we have point A, we have the arrival at point XY, we have the departure from XY, and we have to keep the arrivals and departures separate because what we're ultimately looking for is how long she has to wait. So she departs from XY, travels a certain amount of time, and then has the arrival at the YZ point, and then the YZ departure. And so the times that she can leave point A are 7 o'clock. Her bus leaves every 20 minutes. So we have 7 o'clock, 7:20, 7:40, and then it starts over again at 8 o'clock. And we don't really have to worry about the top of the hour because the times are just going to repeat. So the bus takes 30 minutes to get to the XY point. So she would arrive at 7:30 here. She would arrive at 7:50 with this one. I'm going to get rid of the colons. It's too hard to draw them with this anyway. She would arrive at 8:10 with this one. Now it departs every half hour, but its first departure isn't until 7:45 in the morning. So the first departure would be 7:45. If she got there at 7:50, she wouldn't be able to catch that 7:45 bus. She'd have to wait until the 8:15 bus. If she arrived at 8:10, she could still catch that 8:15 bus. So here she had to wait 15 minutes. Here she had to wait 25. Here she only had to wait 5. So this is by far our most promising lead. From the point, from point XY, this is XY here, to YZ, it takes 20 minutes to get there. So she would arrive at 8:05 here, she would arrive at 8:35 here, and again also at 8:35 here. We don't care about this wait time, that's sort of set. It doesn't count as waiting when she's on the bus, only when she's waiting at a station. Right now the 7:40 departure looks like the winner. So then we just need to see the departure times here. The final bus stop leaves every 15 minutes starting at 7 a.m. The first one after this one would have been 8:15. First one after this would have been 8:45. And the first one after this would have been 8:45. So here she had to wait another 10 minutes. Here was 10. Here was 10. So the total, this one was 25, this one was 35, this one was a mere 15 minutes, and that's the correct answer. Answer choice B, if she leaves at 7:40 or any of the other hours at 8:40, 9:40, the schedule of the buses will result in having to wait only 15 minutes with the buses on time.